2020 we had 2001. In 2021 we had 2,275, which means the number continues to increase, despite several attempts that were being made by government and the district, including some the NGOs, to bring down or to create awareness among the community.
Leaders, even us, we have not done enough as civil society. We have not done enough to tackle the challenges of poverty and of marginalization. We are doing the bare minimum. And you can see if a problem persists year to year, especially in this region, it only is testament to the fact that there is something that we are missing. So I challenge us to go back to the way we implement programs, to go back to thinking about what are the actual challenges and problems in the community so that there is no mismatch, so that we don't continue implementing programs that are not appreciated by the community, but programs that will actually create change.
Actually, you'll find that participants in our programs are youth who are living in poverty, who are living in marginalization, who are experiencing or are victims of one social injustice or another hub. Our regional hubs are a one-stop center for youth engagement. So within the hubs, you have small community libraries, you have digital hubs where youth can learn cyber literacy, where they have access to timely, relevant and accurate information. Then you have a multimedia center where we do work around enabling the youth to be seen and heard through the tools of media and technology. Secondly, the mobile hub is a multimedia center. It carries a multimedia apparatus that entails, one, mobile cinema, because much of our work is done through media. And so you find that sometimes the interventions that we are delivering to the youth require that we package the message, or we carve out the message through the lens of a particular media tool. And in most cases, we use films and documentaries to design our workshops and engage the youth in activities that are tailored around that. Because we're trying to interconnect these youth to help them be able to appreciate youth problems, youth challenges across the country, but to also work together to build a movement of youthful thinkers, a movement of social justice leaders, a movement of community organizers amongst themselves who take it upon themselves to carve out possible solutions to the challenges that they face in their communities. Ours as Viajana Corps is to simply extend the platform to them for them to be able to do that.
Okay, I was a senior 6 dropout. Let me say senior 6 dropout. Who knew how to read and write, but also it wasn't that much. I couldn't even stand in public and even say things. So I went through that 1 year. I started with reading, and then I was introduced to computer and then work, project planning and management. And I learned a lot, first of all, from the experiences I had with my surrounding, with my workmates, and then the things I was gaining. Because I had access to the internet, I would learn I would take any course I wanted. The young people, I would have seen me 3 years back, how I was. And I come from a poor family. And I tell them, if you engage with these platforms, if you use these tools well, your life will change. They have no doubt, because they are seeing the change. So I'm grateful for the opportunity. And I think I am growing, and I'm looking forward to growth. I think I will reach my dreams now. Reach my dreams.
When Viajana got me, I was kind of a person who would say there's nothing I can now do, because when I got out of senior 6, I was like, there's no money, there's nothing I can do, all from home. Then I said, at this point, now that I've seen something that happens, the discussion you have been having when we are doing that film-based workshop was kind of giving that kind of power and enlightenment in me that at least I can still discover the opportunity.
And this is our digital hub.